Okay, in today's GMC Acadia video, we have a washer fluid low, add fluid message on our dashboard. What do we do? Well, we're going to go add fluid. I'll show you how to do that. First thing we need to do is open the hood. So reach underneath the dash and pull the lever to unlock the hood. Here we go. Okay, then we reach under the hood right above the line of the M, and there's a little tab. Push that over. Here it is. You can see how that works. Awesome. Now, we look here, and it's a mystery. This says Dex Cool, which is not what we're looking for. That's how you change the radiator fluid. Over here is the windshield washer reservoir. So you reach in and you pop this open, and you get some windshield wash with de-icer, because winter's coming up and we live in the snow. Any brand will do. I just happened to choose this because it was the cheapest, and you just start filling. If it's summer, I usually do about half and half this with just some nice clean water. Winter, depending on how far I'm going or where I'm going or whatever, I'll put in just this stuff. It's only $2 or $3 a bottle. I'll leave a link too that you can get. So that's how I fill up the windshield washer reservoir. Okay, thanks for watching. That's how I fill up the windshield washer reservoir in a 2011 GMC Acadia. Very similar for tons of cars, but the driver's side right in the front by the headlight is where the fill-up hose is, and I fill it right to the top.